In this video, we'll be giving you a brief introduction to HX Manager and its available menus. Upon opening HX Manager, you'll find yourself in the monitoring screen. In the monitoring screen, you'll be able to see things like printer status, cartridge status, message information, print parameters, and other useful information. Next, we'll look at the Simple Message Editor. The Simple Message Editor is where you'll create most of your basic messages. You can see from the drop-down menus we can select things like text, date and time, lock codes, counters. As well, if you look to the right of the screen, you'll also see things like our print parameters. This is where we adjust things like the delay, print speed, boldness, the quantity of prints, and even the resolution and direction of printing. These are things we'll cover in other videos. Next, we'll take a look at the health check screen. This is where you'll go whenever you receive an error code or have an issue you need to troubleshoot. The printer will typically self-diagnose and provide you with a link to the solution. Moving on to the ink estimation screen. The ink estimation screen is a tool that will allow you to see the number of prints you can expect from a given message. Please keep in mind that the numbers presented here are specific to the message selected. Now on to the settings screen. The settings screen is where you'll find the bulk of this printer's settings, with the exception of those print parameters that we saw in the Simple Message Editor earlier in the video. We will cover these settings in more detail in the next video, the initial setup of your SNEED-JET Infinity printer.